video is about the unboxing of yet another earbuds which I have purchased from Amazon. This is a different brand, that is, the brand name is Truke, Truke, and the version is Fit 1 Plus. This also I have purchased from Amazon, and it comes around, it's under 1,000 rupees budget. Exactly, it comes around 899 I think, and this is coming as offer right now. So I will unbox it, and we'll do a complete review on this and to see how good this one is in various purposes, for gaming as well as for music, hearing the music and the connectivity and all those. We'll do a complete review, a detailed review on this, and we will give our verdict on this one. Is it good or bad? And specifications and all those, I'll go in details when I unbox it. So this is Truke Fit 1 Plus. So this is Truke Fit 1. I haven't opened it. I'll be opening it right now. The price is 2,799 printed on this feet. To the first impression, I would say before opening, I can say that this has similarity to P-Tone Bassbud Pro in appearance. Let's see. Let's check it. 7 hours of talk time. 10 hours of music, sorry. Then deep bass, touch control, and digital display. Okay, so digital display is of the power which the case has. Oh wow, this is Bluetooth version 5.1, and the earbud charging time is just 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours. So it is better than Vehicle in charging hours, and it is similar to P-Tone Bassbud Pro. The play time is 8.8 to 10 hours. Headphone battery is 50 mAh and charging case battery is 300 mAh. There is a thanks card, first time use country instructions. This is a warranty card. This has got 1 year of warranty. That is a thanks card as well as a warranty card. This one is a manual. A pretty lengthy one. Now coming to the main part, this is it, and okay, this is unfortunately doesn't have the C-type charging. It is of normal charger. It doesn't matter. Let's see how it performs. And this have got the spare silicone. That's all in the case, and now the box. This is pretty bulky. It is large in size when it compare it with P-Tone Bassbud or Moonwalk, Be Cool Moonwalk. This is pretty big in size, and yeah, the bud comes all fit inside it. That's good. I'm seeing it for the first time. This is it. Truke. I think it has not been charged. It started blinking. Take it out. It is also the one which you have seen, the larger in size when it compared with P-Tone Bass Bud Pro. This is also large in size and similar size of Moonwalk, We Cool Moonwalk. Maybe a little more bulkier than a Moonwalk, or much bigger than the Petron Bass Bud Pro. Anyway, let's see. This is the charging case. The display has not shown the power. Let me put it back and see. There is a button given, that is, if you press it, it will show the percentage. Now let's connect it to the mobile and see how good it is in performance. See if it shows Bluetooth. Yeah, that's it. Truke Fit 1 Plus. It's connected. Now let's check the quality, how good it is. Check this one, the Truke, how good it is in performance. This is pretty big in size. It is much bulkier than Petron Bass Bud Pro or even Moonwalk, that is from We Cool. This is very big in size, so I expect the sound quality to be a little more good considering this speaker size. Let's see how good this one is. Let me see how it will fit in my ear. You can see it's pretty big in size. See, if you see my previous video about Bass Bud Pro, Petron as well as We Cool, or even the Android, you can see that this one is pretty bigger than all of them. So I'm not sure whether it will stick on there. I don't suggest this for the multi-purpose, that is for the sports workouts and all those things. I don't recommend, because there's a chance that this thing will easily go off. So let's see. Let's check the quality of the music and the sound. Yeah. The box is good. The vocal is somewhat similar to the Moonwalk or the Petron. There is no too much difference. It is, as I would say, that it is as same as Petron and Moonwalk, M1 as well as Bass Bud Pro. Now let's check the music. Okay, it is my review. I would say this stands below We Cool. This is touch sensitive and is bigger in size, but the sound quality, I would say the We Cool Moonwalk is better than this one. My personal choice would be I go for Moonwalk or Petron Pro. So this is my verdict on Truke. And also the casing is a little more bulkier than the other two. It has the latest functionality like touch sensitive, it has got the display, everything, but if, for example, if it compare it with Petron, Bass Bud or Moonwalk M1, then this stands third in the position. this is my body tone.